Sometimes, as a human being, you have plans. And when these plans don't go your way, you have two options. Either to quit on them, which is quote-unquote giving up, or you re-strategize. So, about 3 weeks ago or so, I began this mega painting on the wall. But shortly after, I got sick for like a whole month. And this month, I had to nurse myself back into health. So that's why I've been away. I was also working on a client's painting of a cow wearing a hat. 2 of them. I didn't necessarily spend the whole time painting those 2 paintings. I did some other paintings as well, because such a painting, say for one, takes me like 3 to 4 hours to complete. And fortunately, for me and you, dear viewer, I'm not here to blabber over lost time. I'm here to continue on the journey that we both began. The painting journey, to show you how to come up with a masterpiece. I had missed my brushes so dearly, and so I'm very happy to use them once again. As a painter, I have to master the ways of using brushes. Brushes are not just held when you paint. You actually have to wield a brush like a sword. There's a very specific way, a delicate way of holding a brush for you to paint fast and efficiently. Hold the tip near the end, just slightly above it, like that. Paint away. Much faster, easy, and makes you look like a master. What I am is methodical and calculated. Before I began this painting that you see behind me, I had a methodology to follow, a particular plan set out, seen from inception to completion. I'm at that stage where I would like to show you how to paint the skin, or at least to begin painting the skin. I'm gonna begin by painting part of the torso for some reason. It is large, it won't limit me to a small area. And because it's large, I can move my brush as freely as I want, unlike painting the facial area that requires more time because it's very small and has specific planes that have to be adhered to in specific ways with attention to detail. All I've done is mapped out the values. Next thing I'm going to do is blend so that the colors unify. Bed calls me, but this is what we have at the moment. This is the first layer of this figure right here. All of them have to be worked on to get a similar look. They're different races. This is supposed to be an African beauty. It has been terrific painting this. Essentially what I've done today is lay a strong foundation on this figure for the subsequent layers that will make it become realistic. Not super realistic, like ultra realistic. I'm not going to paint pimples, I'm not going to paint little bitty tiny microscopic hairs, no. I'm just going to paint something that's going to be believable. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you come back next time for some more installments. Peace out.